Right, where have I been? What have I been doing? Right, the annex has been put on hold for just a short length of time. Davey and John are back, and what we're going to do, we're going to get this new project off the ground before we jump back on the annex. So if you've been watching the annex, you're invested in that, the annex will return shortly. Right, here's what we're going to do now. We're going to provide you with a garden room kit, insulated metal panels, a full kit. You'll send me a size. I'll cut the size, I'll dry build the size in here. I can fit up to a 7x4 in this unit that we've got. I will dry build it and then we will ship it out to you and you will have it built and weather tight in a day, right? So that is the garden room build kit. Now, a garden room build pack, I've been banging on about this for ages, it will help you build a garden room. So here's what we're going to do there. Tomorrow, we are going to start a new garden room for somebody. It's 3 meters wide, it's 2.5 meters deep. We are going to build that in the traditional way we have always built our garden rooms. And I am going to provide you with the most detailed build video you have ever seen. It's going to be better than anything I've done. It's going to be super detailed and it's going to go hand in hand with the build pack. So if you want a build pack, you'll get a build pack of a certain size which has 34 different sizes. You'll buy your build pack and then there will be a link to the YouTube videos of how to build your very own garden room to the same standard we have been building for years and the same standard that anybody who builds them in timber has now started to adopt. Right, what we're going to do, we're going to build that one there and we're going to build the identical one in this unit out of the insulated panels. I'm going to show you how to clad the panels and make it look beautiful because let's be right about it, the insulated panels tend to look a bit industrial, to say the least. It's not the look for everybody, but I'm going to show you how to transform it into a thing of beauty. So, like I said, if you want the annex videos, they will return. They're just on a little hold at the moment while we get this new business, the Garden Room Guru build kits, coming to you very shortly. Yeah? So keep watching, and I'll see you tomorrow on this new build.